Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to use downloaded ringtone on iPhone. Using a downloaded ringtone on your iPhone allows you to stay up to date with trending ringtones or customize your device to match your personal style. And here are the easy steps to use a downloaded ringtone from the Zedge app on iPhone. First, unlock your iPhone and open the App Store. Then search for the Zedge app. Tap Get and install the app if not already installed. Once installed, go ahead and tap Open. Inside the Zedge app, go to the Discover section. Then tap the ringtones. Browser search for the ringtone you like. Tap the ringtone to open it. Then tap Download. When prompted, tap Got it. Then tap More. Choose Use as ringtone or save to files if required, and you'll be redirected to the ringtone section automatically. And now, the ringtone is now set as your default ringtone. Important notes: iPhone requires GarageBand to convert files into ringtones. Ringtone length must be 30 seconds or less. And after saving, go to Settings, Sounds and Haptics, Ringtone to choose it. But on this app, you don't need a GarageBand, it just sets as your automatic ringtone. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.